Yeah! Let's go! That was so hard! It's a 5 million shot. Alright, this one's gonna be a doozy. What I'm gonna do is shoot straight through this hole and see if we can hit that bottle that's way out there. Let's give it a go. You got it! Let's go! That was hard, huh? Yeah, it's way over there behind that plant. Let's see how he does. Alright. You got it! Let's go! That didn't even take you that many tries. Good job. This is the cardboard bounce shot. Let's go! Finally that way! Brigham and I didn't want to do the trust shot, so we got someone to do it for us. Woo! It's really over there.
Did you get new glasses?
Yes, sir. Diddly do. I did.
You ready to do the shot?
Let's get on with it. Where's the medal? This is the door frame no-licker. I knocked one of your paintings down, oops. How did that even fall? It was a Nerf ball. That was so easy. That was so easy. It was, oh, that was dumb. Why did I waste my time on that shot? That was so easy. Oh my. If you're not already a That's Whack subscriber, be sure to subscribe and like to see the rest of our new videos. Thanks.